wanna rock right now. I'm Rob Bass and I came to get down.
Now, this is very complicated.
Sam, what are you doing, Sam?
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Sorry. You serious?
I'm sorry.
Come on, man. That's disgusting. You need a tissue?
Yeah, can you give me a tissue?
What, bro? What are you doing?
My
Why
nose?
all over it?
Did I get it on you?
Yeah, you got it on me all over my face. You're ridiculous.
You need the tissue?
No, I'm good. I cleaned it. You're good, man.
It's just been so bad.
Yeah, what are you doing, my man? Are you serious? No, that's ridiculous, huh? I just got this jacket, bro. Now you're sneezing all over it. What are you doing?
Why does it make me cough? It drives me nuts. See, my eyes are already starting to water. Yeah, that's good. See, you're almost there. Nope, felt it though. It's going to be hard to keep my eyes open, I'm just saying. I do really bad in the sun.
What are you doing? Sam, what are you doing, Sam? What? My man, stop.
I'm sorry.
Get away. I'm getting out. Dude, there's probably diseases all over. That's ridiculous.
If I have a disease, you already have it.
But that's ridiculous. What are you doing? Can you just turn that way? Cover your nose.
Okay.
It's spraying all over me.
I'm sorry, I'm sick.
You're sick. All of a sudden, now you got allergies. Fucking everything. I'm leaving my move.
Sometimes I feel like I've got to sneeze.
God. I feel it. I'm going to get me some waterproof eyeliner. Here we go. Sorry.
I think maybe. Yeah!
Cool. See, that one was real. I didn't even get it. No, it was coming, damn it. I get so mad.
It's just great.
Not coming yet.
What the heck is going on? Your allergies are still activated. Not good. Not good. Oh my gosh, it's been like 6 in a row. How many like allergy medicines can I take at once? Because I've taken 2 already.
Why is it so complicated? Ah, English directions. Ah, so it goes back. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is so cool. Just steps through there. Ah, I see now. Ew.
First, I want to say thank you to all the Neese tribe.
Subscribers and Patreon members.
Subscribers and Patreon members. We could not do this without you.
You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
You guys keep us lifted up and supported. Thank you.
To all the Patreon members.
Shout out to all the Patreon members. Woohoo! Yeah.
I like that. I like that a lot.